Contestant number 6.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, judges. I'm Pawan Shetty from Bangalore. I'm an entrepreneur, MBA by graduate. If I have to describe myself in 3 words, it would be honest, self-disciplined, and passionate. I'm passionate about fitness. Fitness has given me a lot of recognition, and it has made my life into a proper, what I can say is given my life a proper definition. It has taught me how to work hard, how to gain what you want to gain, and look into the mirror and gives a proper what you are. That is what it shows. It doesn't lie to you. So it has always taught me to look the future in a positive aspect. So following my passion is what I have learned from my childhood, and doing something good in this is what is my ambition is. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 7.
Good evening, judges. Good evening, one and all. I hope you all are having a great evening today. I want to do something better with the time what I have been given. I want to touch few hearts in this life. I want to leave something, a saying, a mark that I was here. I come to this competition, Mr. Manglo, to leave my mark over here. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nishan, which means mark. My dad is a businessman. My mom is a housemaker. My brother is a doctor. My hobbies are entertaining people. I do all things which entertain people. I am a singer, I am a dancer, amateur photographer. I like playing chess, football, cricket, and swimming. I represented my school and colleges and even won prizes for competitions like singing, dance, mock press, drama, and skit. I also won a national level best manager competition. My ambition is to be a successful entrepreneur and to be stable in life. I want to be famous and live a life of a celebrity. I want people to recognize me for my talents and my skills. And finally, but not the least, this nation India, this state Karnataka and the place Mangalore has given me lots of things. And I should be in a position where I can do something towards the nation or the society. I want to empower the lives of the people. This is my ambition, friends. And I have participated in this competition because this is a platform. The Mr. Mangalore is a platform where I could represent or project my skills and my talents to the world. So I'm standing in front of you all today, and let's hope what happens, hoping for the best. I need all your blessings today. Thank you all. Please do bless me. Thank you.
Thank you. We now have contestant number 8.
Hi judges, hi ladies and gentlemen. Basically I'm from Mangalore and my name is Mahesh Karkera. I completed my degree from Allos College of Moodbidri. As soon as completion I joined Infosys and I'm working from past 2 years. Today I'm representing the ethnic wear of Coor. Basically my ancestors are from Mangalore, but I settled and born in and brought up from Coor. So even though I belong to the community of Bilawa community, I'm very proud to say that I belong to Bilawa community. At the same time, I don't forget to say that I am like I live in Coor. My aim is to become a famous and successful businessman. Thank you.
Thank you. Coorg is a beautiful city, I must say. Okay, we now have contestant number 9.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Chaitanya S. Rao. I am from Udupi, born and brought up, and I am a mechanical engineer by profession. I work for Capgemini Bangalore, and my hobbies is to draw, travel, riding, and as a passionate, I am into modeling. I work with Prasad Bidappa in Bangalore, and I'm very. I like to help every person in every aspects, whatever they like, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. We have contestant number 10.
Hi everyone, hi judges. My name is Gopal Krishna Pai. I'm born and brought up in Mangalore. I'm currently working as a software engineer and cognizant technology solutions. And my hobbies are like love riding bike and trekking and browsing. And ambition is to grow in my career as a software engineer. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is contestant number 11.
Hi everyone, I'm Satvik. I'm from Mudradi. Presently I'm working as an operation manager in Nandana Group. My hobbies are I'm good in all the sports. I'm a state level basketball player, and my strengths are I have a good, I have good positive attitude to my life. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 12.
Hello everyone. Hello judges. Myself Vaibhav. I am a BE mechanical engineer currently working as an executive engineer projects in Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited on contract. I am from Mangalore itself. My father, he is a businessman. My mother, she is an housewife. I have a younger sister. Well, ever since my childhood, I always wanted to be an actor or a model. But then again, my parents had a dream that their son should be an engineer. So now that I have achieved their dream, it's time to pursue my dream. Well, being a mechanical engineer doesn't mean that I want to lead my life surrounded by machines. So here is how my love for cultural activities as well as my hobby comes into picture. I have acted as the master of ceremony for my college day programs in my professional college for the consecutive 3 years. I have also represented my school as well as college in various inter as well as intra-collegiate fests. I have also bagged various prizes for skits, mad ads and dramas. I have also hosted many programs organized by communities such as Billava Yuva Vahini and many such organizations. Here in Mr. Mangalore 2013, I hope to get a better platform for my talents. By being a successful person, I mean to say that when a person wants to know about me, they want to know about Vaibhav, they shouldn't log into Facebook just to search for my name. Instead, they should search in Google. So that is how I want to be a successful person. So hoping for the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very soon you'll be doing my job then. Okay, contestant number 13.
Hi guys, good evening judges. My name is Pankaj, I'm from Kadri and I'm working as an mechanical engineer at Toyota Kirloskar, Bangalore. And my hobbies are playing cricket, basketball, etc. And I'm wearing traditional Kudla style dress with a lungi, what we call, and shirt and a shawl. Thank you.
Thank you. We now have contestant number 14.
Hi, good evening friends, judges. I'm Kaushik K.A. from Kasaragod. I'm 21 years old and I'm doing my BTech second year in computer science in Sridevi Institute of Technology, Mangalore. And my hobbies are doing crazy things like climbing down wells, newly digged wells, and that's what I meant, crazy things. And yeah, helping people, poor people, and I like this mentally retarded people. I have so much affection on them. And my ambitions are to become a cricketer or an actor. I'm an under 19 state player from my when I was just 13 years old. I became under 19 state player, and still now I have that aim to become a cricketer. I can't go in that. I can't become a cricketer now. I don't have any support from my family or anyone, and now I have to become an actor or a supermodel. That I have acted in many skits in colleges, and I hope God will help me someday. I will never give up. And I want to thank WTN and V4 News for giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, and finally we have contestant number 15.
Good evening judges and good evening everyone. My name is Karthik Ajanta. I am 24 years old. I have done my BE in instrumentation. Currently I am working as a domain engineer in NITK. My hobbies are listening to music, watching movies, riding bike, trekking and swimming, and I love animals. Thank you.
Thank you.